Have you seen this viral TikTok video? I wouldn't be surprised if you had. You'd be one of 3 million people that have already watched it, and that's in just 4 days. This Stormtrooper vlog-style video is the first spin-off of the Yeti vlogs, which went super viral right after VO3 was announced. Before you click away thinking you can't afford a subscription to VO3, wait, because you don't need VO3 to make these. In fact, you can start to do these videos with a video tool that is free to start with. This trend started with Yetis. Now it's on to Stormtroopers. But I think the real opportunity here is to take the steps in this video and use them to start a vlog-style channel like this in a brand new niche. All the steps I outline here will work, and I'll note the one spot that you'll need to make an adjustment. With that, smash that like button and let's get to it. I want to get a sample script from the YouTube channel for the Stormtrooper vlog I showed earlier. I'm going to pick out the video that went super viral and copy the link to that video. Now I'm going to jump over to Turboscribe. This tool allows you to transcribe 3 videos per day for free. We'll enter in the link and click Import, then click Transcribe. In just a few minutes, we'll have the script from the video that went so viral. Once we have the transcript, we can head to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask for 5 ideas of similar scripts that we can use and give ChatGPT the script from the viral video as an example. I've created a prompt example, along with the transcript that I got, in a document that you can get in my AI Content Architects Skool community. I'll leave a link in the description. Once we've copied that from the document, paste it into ChatGPT and hit Enter. Perfect. We now have 5 ideas for scripts. This last one, Escape Room with Vader, looks like it could be hilarious, so we'll go with that. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write that script. Okay, this is awesome. We'll use this for the rest of the video. Before we do that though, this is the step where you would modify the vlog style to fit a new niche. Pick something like Assassins, your favorite superhero, a famous video game character, or even a historical figure. All of these could work. When you ask for the story ideas, specify which parts you want to keep similar to the Star Wars example, and what you want to change. The rest of this tutorial you can follow along with though. Let's go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask for a shot-by-shot breakdown of the script, with image and video generation prompts for each one. I like to ask ChatGPT for both image and video prompts. If you just ask for images or video, I often find it will mix the two and describe motion in the image prompt, or scene characters, or layout in the video. Now, the image generator that you use can vary depending on your preference. Any generator that does well with Realism will work. I think both Midjourney and Flux models are good for this, but I'm going to use the Lucid Realism model from Leonardo.ai for this demo. From the home screen of Leonardo, let's click on Images. In the top left, you'll have options between multiple different generators, but let's select Lucid Realism. I'll leave Prompt Enhance on Auto, and for the style I want to select Cinematic. For image dimensions, I'll click on Custom and then find the 9:16 mobile option. 4 generations is good. I did have to adjust the prompt slightly and run it a few times, but I ended up with this generation that will work perfectly for our first scene. I'll repeat this for the rest of the scenes in the short. If you come across an image prompt that isn't getting you a good generation, feel free to adapt it to fit the script better. Because this is a vlog-style video, a lot of the images just need them to be talking to the camera. It doesn't have to be super fancy. Let's move on to video generation. The reason we don't need VO3 for these videos is because of the brand new Kling 2.1. It is close to as good as VO, and you get free credits every day to use. You can start this process for free, and you only need to spend money if you want to do extra generations. The free route is going to take you a few days to get the credits you need, but hey, it's free. Let's jump to Kling to start generating videos. From the home screen, I'm going to select Video from the menu on the left side. I want to make sure that the regular Kling 2.1 model is selected. You can use 2.1 Master, but it's more expensive, and for these videos, I have had good results using the standard version. Next, I'll upload the image for the first scene and grab the prompt that ChatGPT generated for us. I don't want to let Kling generate sound effects for me, so I'll turn that off for now. I'll pick Standard from the drop-down menu and hit Generate. Here's our generation. Sweet. That will work really well with the dialogue. I'm going to repeat this for each of the video clips. Now, if you're doing Yetis or something where you can see the face of the character, make sure to use Kling's lip sync tool when you generate your video so the character speaks with the dialogue. And speaking of dialogue, let's jump over to ElevenLabs for the next step. This is the last piece of the puzzle as to why we can replace VO3. Once you log in, I want to select Voices on the left-hand side. Let's click on Best Voices for 11v3. After playing through some of the male voices here, I think I'm going to go with Harry. Now, let's grab the first piece of dialogue from ChatGPT, copy that, and paste it into ElevenLabs. V3 has a new enhance feature. We'll click that, and it's going to add text enhancements to the script. I'll hit generate, and it's going to output 2 different generations. I'll choose my favorite, click to download it, and repeat this process for the rest. After a little editing, check out the final product.
All right, boys. Today's mission is team building. Yep, me and Greg got tossed into an escape room with Vader. Should be chill, right? Greg's trying to solve clue number 1. Vader just force-ripped it off the wall. It's on fire now. We panicked and hid in a supply closet. I'm 90% sure Vader can smell fear. We're trying Jedi mind tricks. You will open the door. Still locked. I think Greg just whispered open sesame. This is going great. Greg pulled the fire alarm. Vader's just standing there. I want to go home. Greg's down. If I don't make it out, delete my browser history.
And there you have it. No VO3 required, no massive budget, just a free tool stack and a solid system. From grabbing viral scripts to generating your own characters, scenes, and voiceovers, you now have everything you need to start creating these vlog-style videos in any niche you want. So whether it's Stormtroopers, superheroes, or samurai, the process is the same. And now, it's in your hands. If you want the full prompt doc, templates, and behind-the-scenes walkthroughs, don't forget to join the AI Content Architects Skool community. Links in the description. Now quit watching and start creating. I can't wait to see what you make.